bit. Oh,
Oh, Jesus.
to me.
What is this? Oh my God. Pothole! Ugh. Even better.
Landslide.
Hey, watch that rock. Ooh. That's pretty impressive. You just keep your face right that way. I will look this way. Now you tell me there's a sunroof. Pothole! Oh, Jesus. Pothole! Very nice. Oh, or maybe not. Ooh, look at that nice little falls. Pothole!
Pothole.
Right. I swear to God, didn't we just pass 39?
No, that was 38.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, perfect.
That was very nice.
Yes.
You said this was a better road.
It was at the beginning.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, Jesus. So, curve right on the main road at 10.5 kilometers, which is where I now ascend steeply. Can't tell from this angle, but
and then it's down to another 13 kilometers, so.
okay, yeah, that's pretty steep. Oh. Steep, steep, steep. The road's still getting smaller and smaller. We must be getting close. Getting there. Too bad for the forest fire smoke. Man, have to go down before we go up. Schleister.
It's the same, up and down.
Did it? Okay. There's something in there.
You got
I don't know. Well, this is a nice passage. What's that? Yeah, it's nice rock. Yeah, watch your head. I think I'm gonna go through here. See how that looks.
Yep.
This one is not. I don't like that ledge. Kind of nice. Oh, changing rock. Well, I think we are arrived finally at the ridge, our destination. All right, the top of the ridge.